let this thing ride, man. I chop flows like I threw them in the blender. I ain't saying y'all sweet, but you're similar to Splendor. I ain't calling y'all weak, but in order to compete in this class, you gotta be a little bit bigger. I'll never sell out, unless we talking concert shows, packed seats, dog. I'll fill house, every day a new state, every night a new blouse, getting tossed over the arm of my couch, but instead it's my arm I stick out, handing you your order, saying, can I get you anything more? I'm trying to get into a better spot, cause homie, this is who I'm not. So with this microphone, I'm bringing in the war. We settling the score right now, not later. I'm only trying to feed to keep fed. So even when I do see bread, Jesus told me to break it. My kindness for weakness, it shall not be taken. If that's what you thought, then you are sadly mistaken. See, I can duke it out with the greatest, battle with the latest, get gorilla with the apis. You can videotape it. These shots y'all throwing sound like empty shell casings. Black cats in the can, thinking if you talk louder, that'll make us all scram. I got a verbal AK, and I bet it won't jam. While y'all getting nowhere, sounding like Megaphone Man. You wanna draw a crowd? I got a pencil. Art, the constructive use of my writing utensil. See, I can entertain a crowd, and at the same time, autograph the perfect image using my mentals. I could remember very vividly, at times me and my brother being scared to speak. Not knowing what's ahead for me, and he and no one dare say, because the fear that getting beat was in our destiny. A pain past tells a good story. But experience makes it even better. I used to think my pops was so cold like Eskimo toes, but yet he ain't even rock a sweater. Flow heavy like boulders and free fall, smashing y'all dudes. So I guess I let the weak crawl, looking like tunes. Me, I get deeper than an iceberg, I make a monsoon. Then I stab out like a harpoon, I know it's getting dark soon. So I'm looking for the freaks, not to own but to lease, with no contracts compete. With these bars, I bring life to the deceased. I took the whole pie, not a piece. I'm trying to eat for the whole week, not a portion of the day. What more should I say? Deep thoughts over breakfast, let me pause while I pray. Let me pause while I pray. Yeah, amen.